Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can remove your Netflix account from all the devices that you're logged in case you're sick of your friends using your Netflix account. So what you can do is you can simply sign out of all the devices that you're logged in all at once by just simply tapping on one simple button. So all you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure that you've updated your Netflix application to the latest version. First of all, you'll have to open up your Netflix application, and once you do that, tap on your profile. So once again, on the other page, you will be directed into home page. Over here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, you will be directed into profile and more, and right at the bottom or on the second last option, you can see account. Tap on it. So once you do that, on the other page you have all your account information, and right at the bottom as well you'll be able to see that who are using your Netflix account. So currently I don't have anyone using my Netflix account, so that is actually not available on my device. So in order to remove your account from all the other devices that you're logged in, and then tap on sign out of all devices. In case you're sure about signing out of all devices, so then tap on sign out. As soon as you tap on it, you will be logged out of all the devices that you were actually logged in. So once you're logged out of all the devices, what you have to do is you'll have to change your password, so they'll be able to log in if they have the password or the email address of your account. So for that, you'll have to change your password. So in order to change your password, tap on the arrow icon in the top left corner, and on the other page you can see there is change email and change password. So then tap on change password, which is right in between. So there's no problem with the email. If you want to change it, you can do that as well, or if you want to keep it as it is, then that is also fine, but then you'll have to change either one of this following option. In case you change your password, so then you can see that first of all you'll have to enter your current password, and after that you'll have to reset your new password, and once again you'll have to confirm your password. Finally, you'll have to tap on save. So after you do that, you'll be logged out of all the devices and they'll not be able to log in again. So that is how you can remove your Netflix account from all the devices that you are logged in. So that's it for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.